Hi everyone, welcome to PowerPoint Tricks. Today we are doing the trick. In this we will see how to create the slides with the AI. So for this you need to go in the Google and you need to simply search slides.ai. So slides.ai is one of the Google tool. It's provided by Google and you can install in your Google Slides in your Google presentation. So I click on the install slides. So now you can see here is showing the slides.io and create here, and this is a Google workspace market space. So here is showing the uninstall because I already installed in my system. So simply I'm going into my Google account. So this is my Google account and now I'm clicking here in this slide. So here you have these slides. So I click on these slides. Now you can see here I'm in a slides. Now I need to click here on the plus for the blank slide. So I click on the blank slide. Now I'm going into the tools. Sorry, I'm going into the extensions and then slidesio.io. So I click here. Now you can see here is showing the generate slides, magic write and the help. So I click on the generate slide. Now you can write here anything but for which topic you want to create the presentation. So let's suppose I have one topic related to the quantum computing. So basically I search about this. So I'm selecting this data about the quantum computing and simply pasting here. So whatever you have, you can paste it, and you can also select that presentation type you want for the conference, education or sales. So let's suppose I press on the education one. How many slides you want? I need the 5 slides. So add title and the thank you slides and the add image. Replace with existing slides if you want, then create it. So I click on the create slides. Now it will be take a time to making the slides, and here also they're showing some magic tips here. You can easily add and replace images via the magic right in a few clicks, so you can use this also. So it's now you can see here your slides are created, and now you can simply go back and see your slides. So now you can see here this is my slides about the quantum computing, and this is how they're showing what is the quantum computing. Quantum computing is widely changed in this all about the IBM quantum computer, and the very beautiful slides are created by the quantum this slides.io. So this is all about the slides.io, how we can use it and how we can create the useful presentation or effective presentation using this tool. Thank you guys.